Writing a thesis can be overwhelming, especially when juggling research, coursework, and tight deadlines. For many university students, choosing to order thesis online has become a practical solution to manage academic pressure and ensure high-quality results. At Thesis.help, we offer expert thesis writing services tailored to your academic needs. Whether you're just starting or need help finalizing your thesis, our streamlined process makes it easy to get professional support fast. Why order thesis online? Ordering a thesis online offers multiple benefits, including A. Professional assistance from qualified academic writers. B. 100% original and plagiarism-free content. C. Timely delivery to meet your deadlines. D. Complete formatting and citation according to your university's standards. It's a stress-free experience and more time to focus on other priorities. How to order thesis online at Thesis.help. Step 1. Visit the order page. Go to Thesis.help order to start your order. The process is designed to be fast, secure, and student-friendly. Step 2. Fill out the order form. Provide detailed instructions such as thesis topic or research question. Academic level, bachelor's, master's, or PhD. Number of pages. Deadline. Citation style, APA, MLA, Chicago, etc. Any supporting materials or custom requirements. Step 3. Choose your writer, optional. Let us match you with a subject matter expert or select a preferred writer from our professional pool. Step 4. Make a secure payment. We offer affordable, transparent pricing. Payments are encrypted to ensure full data security. Step 5. Monitor progress. Track your thesis progress via your personal dashboard. You can communicate directly with your writer and request updates or revisions as needed. Step 6. Download your completed thesis. Once finalized, your thesis will be available for download. It will be thoroughly proofread, properly cited, and ready for submission. Take the stress out of thesis writing today. Order your thesis now at Thesis.help.